merciful on His humans, and who is the one who provides us everything. First of all, very congratulations to Hazrat Maulana Sahib to Hazrat Usman Sahib to reveal his book, and then a very good morning to the Excellencies, honorable guests, teachers, and my friends of all ages. And I want to say to all of you, Assalamu alaikum. When I read this book, I concluded that in the trace of darkness in this society to light candle. And actually all of us know that we live in Islamic country. But the present situation and the present end are not estimation of Islam, are not Islamic indicator. They don't focus on Islam, but they waste their time. And as all of you know, we live in Islamic country, but they are not in estimation of Islamic indicator. And as someone born here, we don't focus on Islam. And as you can imagine that some Islamic techniques and some Western techniques are also present in our society. This is because we live Islam, we live Hadith, we live the Sunnah of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And when someone born here, we teach them, we don't teach them on the basis of Islam, but we brought them ignorant. And as all of you know, when someone born here, we choose them cartoons, we choose them music, we choose them cinemas for making them silence. But no, this is not a part of Islam. We should teach them, but we deprive them from the reciting of Holy Quran. We deprive them from reciting to know about Islam. We deprive them to know about the tolerance of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Can they be Islamic students? Can they bring a great change in the whole world through Islam? No, they can't. And other harsh reality of our society, with which each our present generation are facing, that is school education and music. We destroy our present and future generation. We should focus on Islam. And as all of you know, that due to the age of youthness, every boy and girl has aspirations. So, if we send him to different state of education, we have to send him to one state, and that is Islam. Islam will guide them how to live their life in the world, how to give respect to people, how to give dignity, how to earn respect from others. Islam will teach them. And every one of us can change ourselves. And if we change ourselves through Islam, then we can change the whole world through Islam. And as all of you know that affections of Quran occur in each country in the present situation. But we are still silent because our beliefs are not strong in Islam. We have to make our beliefs strong in Islam, then we will be able to take action against him. May Allah forgive all of us. May Allah don't reveal His torment and us. Thank you so much.
तू मेरा प्यारा वतन है, तू मेरा प्यारा वतन हो, तू मेरा प्यारा वतन है, तू मेरा प्यारा वतन। ऐद करता हूँ बना लूँगा तेरे दश्त चमन, तू मेरा प्यारा वतन है, तू मेरा प्यारा वतन हो, तू मेरा प्यारा वतन है, तू मेरा प्यारा वतन। तेरे कोसार के अबशार बहुत प्यारे हैं, अजब नजारे हैं। तेरे कोसार के अबशार बहुत प्यारे हैं, अजब नजारे हैं। कोई देखे तो, कोई देखे तो, कोई देखे तो रह जाएगा अंगुष्ठ बदन। तू मेरा प्यारा वतन है, तू मेरा प्यारा वतन हो, तू मेरा प्यारा वतन है, तू मेरा प्यारा वतन। ऐद करता हूँ बना लूँगा तेरे दश्त चमन, तू मेरा प्यारा वतन है, तू मेरा प्यारा वतन हो, तू मेरा प्यारा वतन है, तू मेरा प्यारा वतन। सदा बुलंद रहे तेरा हिलाली परचम, लहराए हरदम। सदा बुलंद रहे तेरा हिलाली परचम, लहराए हरदम। है तेरा शाही तेरा, तेरा शाही तेरा गौरी ने कशोल वतन। तू मेरा प्यारा वतन میرا پیارا وطن ہو، تو میرا پیارا وطن ہے، تو میرا پیارا وطن، عہد کرتا ہوں بنا لوں گا تیرے دشت چمن، تو میرا پیارا وطن ہے، تو میرا پیارا وطن ہو، تو میرا پیارا وطن ہے، تو میرا پیارا وطن۔ میری دعا ہے وطن تو سدا آباد رہے، سدا شاد رہے، میری دعا ہے وطن تو سدا آباد رہے، سدا شاد رہے، رہے تو اس میں، رہے تو اس میں، رہی تو اس میں قربان میرا تن من تن، تو میرا پیارا وطن ہے، تو میرا پیارا وطن ہو، تو میرا پیارا وطن ہے، تو میرا پیارا وطن، عہد کرتا ہوں بنا لوں گا تیرے دشت چمن، تو میرا پیارا وطن ہے، تو میرا پیارا وطن ہو، تو میرا پیارا وطن ہے، تو میرا پیارا وطن۔ لا 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 لا